Yeah, mga katribo, we have now the ambulance to arrive here in Calamba Doctors Hospital. So very timely. They just arrived here early in the morning. Salute kay Sir Jerry tsaka Sir Norbert, na Sir Norbert po. So right now mga katribo, we are here, no? We're about to leave itong Calamba Doctors Hospital. We are just waiting for the stretcher to come down. Medyo naiwan na namin mga stretcher kasi gawa ng hindi na nagano. Ayan, ito na. Ito na yung stretcher pala. Yes, thank you, sir. Salamat sa inyo. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. So, ayan po, bali yung aming pasyente, yung aking apo, medyo hindi na kailangan pang mag-stretcher kasi ano na ho, bale, nakapwesto na. Sige sir, dito na ako sa gilid po, sasakay. Yan. Oh, why don't you just sit down here? Dito ka mahiga. Oo, ako hihiga. Yan. Ako hihiga. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank God we are already on board with the ambulance provided by our beloved Barangay Pasumbuaya Dos, headed by Captain Lito Tagle, and of course our kagawad, no, Nato Aguilarayan, and our pilot right here, no, Sir Norbert and Sir Jerry, no. We are on board right now via the ambulance. So time check is already 9:32 in the evening, and we are here right now. We're about to leave the vicinity of Parian, Calamba. We're leaving the hospital. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone.